Okay, here's all the parts you'll need. It's very simple. The install is super easy. 5mm Allen, 12mm socket, 8mm socket. That's it. It's all the parts you'll get in the box. The easiest thing to do is put your J clip on here first. Line these two up. They clip together. That slides in like that. This slides down in. J clip on already. Make sure you get that clipped there and clipped there. Just like that. Boom. Take your Allen with the collar. Throw that in the front. I don't have Honda torque specs on any of this stuff, so kind of just going to what I feel is right for that size nut. All right, that piece is completely done. There are 4 rubber washers. Throw in all 4 rubber washers into this. This is the hardest part of the install, is getting these little washers in there. Once you have that in, this piece can be set to the side. We're gonna install our 2 brackets now. So taking our bracket with the 2 integrated guards built in on it, this will go on first. There's a factory bolt that's an 8 on this side and the other side. You want to pull both of those off, and that's where this bracket goes. So pull this one off. It comes off as so. You don't need this anymore. Come around to the other side and grab the other one. Pull off this 8. Again, we won't need this bracket anymore. Obviously, don't throw it away, but you don't need it for now. Take your bracket here. Slides back into those same bolt holes. Leave the exhaust on for all this. The kit does come with a supplied exhaust gasket, but you don't need it. So, throw this bracket on. Should have my impact to do this to make it a little quicker for the video. All right, so that front bracket's on. Easy part. Okay, this part's a little hard to film as my tripod doesn't really go that well, but I'll do my best. So now that this bolt's out of this flange here and the front is loosened, you have enough room to just wiggle your exhaust. Don't want to take it completely out. 4 sets of bolt holes here that come from factory. So what we want to do is utilize the front 2. Throw this in, throw one of the supplied nuts in. Again, these are 12 mils. Tighten that up. Remember, arrow down, arrow pointing forward. So it's in and tight. Use the second bolt supplied from Honda. Move your exhaust over and throw that in. This gives you just enough room that you don't have to utilize that exhaust gasket and remove your entire exhaust. Snug those 2 down. And now throw back your OEM bolt back in here. Tighten that down. Tighten back your 2 exhaust flange bolts. All right, and that's it for the 2 brackets. Okay, now time to install the fairing. We're going to utilize the 4 Allens, the 5mm Allens provided by Honda, the 3 collared, and the 1 flat washer. The 1 flat washer goes here on this front right. You can see it actually already has a collar, so that's the only place for it. So go ahead and put flat washer on, collared washer on, slide the fairing into place. This one can go onto that collar. It's already there. Take your flat washer, install that one there. Take your collared washer and Allen, and that can go into this back bracket. Tighten these down. don't tighten them all the way yet. We'll get the other side up before we torque anything down. On your last 2 bolts, last 2 collar washers, we'll go to the other side. This one goes right here onto this provided bracket. This one goes on the back. We've noticed this one was tight. There's a cap nut on the back of it instead of just a punch through. So this one takes a little more torque to get in, but nothing crazy. Snug. Snug. Bring it around. Snug the last 2, and that's the fairing install, guys. Hope you like this style video. I'm trying to make some more of these now. New to the Grom game, so appreciate everybody watching.